This is more interesting. And a very strange sculpture.
Hallo alle zusammen, willkommen. Entschuldigung, I am so sorry, I forgot this is an English channel, but I actually started speaking in German because we are actually in Germany right now. So welcome to the great city of Bremen. It's small, it's unknown, but I'm going to put you on the map. And once again, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like these here only on The Richter Show.
This is a very narrow street. Oh, that.
Okay, so I want to introduce somebody very special and amazing. It's not my tour guide, it's my friend right here. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you for showing me around the city of Bremen and a little bit of Verden as well, which I will show you as well. Verden aller, the Kleinen.
Yeah.
But she's the one that's actually filming me and taking pictures, and I'm very grateful. Thank you.
Welcome.
All right, so we continue our guide. Let's go.
This is a very, very thin street. Obviously, you cannot bring a car through. If not, you wouldn't fit. But these are the little side streets that you can find some cool and fun stuff. Have a drink, eat.
Old and okay.
It doesn't show.
Looks like here.
You can tell this is the old town.
See, every small city also has a small town. What am I talking about? No, every small city has an old town, not a small town. An old town. Alright, a little tongue twister there.
Это cerca. You can walk through. There's a water fountain too. So this is a famous church over here. Here is another church. There seems to be a lot of churches here. I'll show this one. I mean, these are the awesome things that you can find in small cities.
The other church, but I have to be quiet. You have to respect the church and respect the people that are praying. I'm in this chapel right now. This chapel within the church. Look at this amazing architecture.
Yes, yes. In front of the church.
I want to go there, and it's supposed to be good luck. Alright, so I'm gonna go and rub the feet. Good luck. Yeah, now I'm gonna have a lot of good luck here.
There we go. And here we have another church. And we have roosters too. See? There's a lot of cool stuff in small towns. A lot of cool stuff.
And yes, it's me here. Oh, let me show you something that we don't have in the US, and it's not popular in the US, and that is the public transportation. How awesome it would be if we had that in my city. You save yourself a lot of time and money and traffic, and it helps the environment and the economy. Anyway, I'm not gonna get too political, but that's it. Alright, so I'm gonna do something I haven't done before, which is I'm testing out the GoPro at night. I know it has a light, but I want to do it without the light to see how it is, first of all, and then I'll see how it comes out later when I review the footage. But it seems to be okay. This is the new GoPro 11, and I just can't wait to see the footage actually. Anyway, I want to give kind of like an update to the question of, is walking by yourself at night in Germany in general safe? And the answer is absolutely it is. I am 100% safe. Even though I am in a smaller town, smaller city, it's all the same really. I mean, I've been to other places like Frankfurt, Dusseldorf, Munich, Braunschweig, Verdenade, and now Bremen, Aschim, and it's safe, really. I mean, look at it, it's so desolated, at least in these smaller towns. You're safe, there's really nobody outside, and especially during the winter. People are cold, they want to stay indoors. So yeah, it's nice and safe. You can feel free to walk around at night. And as a tourist as well, it's okay to walk around as a tourist. I'm a tourist here right now, even though this is my second home. Still technically, I'm a tourist. And well, I'm a little tired right now, and I'm headed to the hotel. I finished visiting the main city. I filmed a couple of things over there. Felt pretty good. Felt pretty happy about everything. It was nice, it was clean. And now we're gonna head back to the Best Western and just go to sleep and wait until the next day. We'll wait until tomorrow, and tomorrow I'll be exploring more places of the city. And then the day after I will visit a different city. That way I'm not always in the same place. And that way, the more I can see, the better it is for me, the better I can give reviews, and the more experience you get. Because one of the things about these travels is the experience that you get about it. And you learn so much just by traveling. Things that you never knew, and things that you would have never known if you would have never gone out to travel. The smaller cities, when it comes to the language, it is a little different because most people obviously speak German. Younger generations do speak English, or at least a second language. If you have a university level, chances are you speak at least 2 languages. But in the smaller city, I've been using mostly German. But in the more touristy areas, yes, I've switched to English.
because it is a little bit easier for me. But if not, I'll just speak in German as best as I can. Anyway, well, almost at the hotel, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Shout out to the host, the Richter. This the Richter show, the Richter show.